The kitchen is one of the most loved places in the house for many of us, so these ideas will be especially useful to you. Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. Today I'll share a bunch of kitchen hacks that will make your life easier and turn cooking into an even more exciting process. And now let's get started. Tea boxes can be found in most kitchens. I'll show you an unusual way to store them if you'd like to use the vertical space in your cabinet. We'll just need some regular magnets. I bought mine at a local hardware store and they weren't expensive. Here's how it works. Take some sticky tape and attach one magnet to the tea box. Make sure you pick the correct side of the magnet. Then attach the second magnet to the cabinet wall. You can also stick magnets to the top of the shelf if you want. And that's basically it. Now the tea doesn't get in the way and you can easily take it out and put it back. You can organize anything in the cabinet this way as long as the magnet can support it. Why didn't I do this sooner? Did you know you can attach little wheels to any appliance, or almost any? I ordered a set of 12, but you can get fewer if you need. You can stick them on a slow cooker, a coffee machine, a kitchen mixer, a trash can, or even storage containers. With these wheels you can easily slide appliances out to use them, then push them back when you are done. And of course, if you don't need the wheels anymore, you can peel them off just as easily. There are tons of ways to use these wheels, and they're pretty affordable. Paper trays are incredibly handy for storing almost anything. In the kitchen, there are lots of ways to use them for organizing. I think they're perfect for storing bottles, especially if you have a bunch. You can leave the tray standing upright, place them on their sides, or even stack them horizontally one on top of another. Choose whichever method suits the space you have. It's really convenient and compact. Best of all, your bottles stay in one place instead of rolling all over the cabinet. When my home feels organized, I like to treat myself too. And one of my favorite little routines, doing my nails with Maniko. I'm going to apply the color Dusty Rose and let me show you how it works. I pick the right gel strip size, apply it, smooth it out, file off the excess and cure it under the mini UV lamp. For extra shine and protection I also use the top coat. That's it! Maniko gives me salon quality nails in just 10 minutes right at home. They look amazing, feel strong and last up to 3 weeks without chipping. And this is what it looks like after 7 days. Still shiny and flawless. And here's how it looks after more than 3 weeks. And the best part, the removal is super easy. I gently lift the edge with the stick, use the remover pen, and the strip slides off without damaging my natural nail. After that I moisturize with my favorite cuticle oil. I recommend the Maniko Starter-Set. It comes with 4 beautiful designs, a remover pen and a handy mini UV lamp. If you want to try it, I have these 2 discount codes just for you. You can even combine these codes with Maniko Club or shipping offers. And there is a 45-day money-back guarantee. You can find all the links and infos in the description. If you have a leftover piece of lemon and want to store it without it drying out, try this idea. Take a plastic lid from a cheap can or something similar. Make 2 small slits on the sides and thread a rubber band through. And voila! Your DIY organizer is ready. Now just cover the lemon with the lid and pop it in the fridge. You can wash more than dishes in the dishwasher. If you decide to wash something small, like these children's toys, you may end up searching for them all over the machine afterward. And losing a small piece is even worse. The solution is simple. Use a laundry bag. I've been talking about these bags a lot lately because they are truly versatile. So put all the toys in the laundry bag and place it in the dishwasher. That's all there is to it. Everything comes out clean, safe and sound. You can make an airtight storage container yourself. You are gonna need a milk barrel for that. Irina uses them for grains that she doesn't cook that often. In order to fill the barrels with grains and cereals, use a funnel. Notice this plastic organizer. It comes with compartments and it's deep enough to hold the barrels. If you are a lucky owner of a dishwasher, here is a great idea for storing dishwasher tablets. Pour them into a container the size of your drawer and keep them there. If the tablets are individually sealed, keep a pair of scissors nearby and the whole process will go by much quicker. Every kitchen has plastic bags laying around somewhere. Storing them in an organizer with dividers is a convenient and functional solution. The organizer next to it contains trash bags and cleaning rags. Nice, convenient and practical. Why buy mayonnaise when you can make it yourself? It only takes about a minute. Crack 1 egg into a container, add a pinch of salt, a spoonful of mustard, lemon juice and sugar if you like. Then add some vegetable oil, and here's the fun part. Take in an immersion blender, put it in the container and don't move it yet. Turn on the blender and watch the mixture thicken. Once it stops changing, slowly leave the blender in tiny increments, letting each layer mix with the one before it, and keep going until you reach the top. When the mixture is completely uniform, your homemade mayonnaise is ready. It's tasty, fluffy and healthier than what you'd buy at the store. Life can surprise us in all sorts of ways. If you need to pour oil into another bottle, here's a handy trick. It's much easier if you use a wooden skewer. Slide it into the neck of the bottle, then pour the oil right over the skewer. The oil will run down the stick and go straight into the bottle. Did you know you can decorate plain white dishes yourself? All you need is a pencil, ceramic markers, carbon paper, scissors and tape. Tape the design under the carbon paper to the mug and trace the outline with the pencil. The design will transfer onto the surface and you can color it in with ceramic markers. Let the design dry for 15 minutes. Then place it in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Let the dishes cool in the oven and you are done. I made this mug and this plate. This idea is great for a kid's birthday party where everyone can get creative and decorate a dish to take home as a keepsake. Many people store dry goods in airtight containers. If you use certain grains regularly, no problem, but sometimes a grain gets forgotten and nobody remembers how long it's been there. Here's a simple, easy trick. Stick a piece of tape on the bottom of the container and use a marker to note the expiration date. Of course, you can use any label, because there are 1001 ways to label storage containers. I have a detailed video about this on my channel. Click on the video thumbnail that just appeared on your screen. And the question of the day is this: what idea from today's video did you like the most? If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!